Today I will be installing a 28-inch deep wave wig from Pretty Doll Extensions, and I'm just gonna show y'all how I use the Got To Be method. I use the Got To Be gel and I use the Got To Be spray. But today I'm gonna switch it up and I'm gonna use the bed head holding spray. Okay, y'all, as y'all can see, I already have my cap to my head. I do not do the ball cap method because I don't like it to be stuck to my forehead. And plus I take my wigs off like every maybe 4 to 5 days. I take my wig off. So I always put my cap on. I spray a little free spray around the rim, and I put my foundation just a little bit around the edges of the stocking cap. I don't go all the way to the back. It's okay because my knots are bleached, so it'll blend anyway. I use the Got To Be gel, and I apply this across my forehead from ear to ear in a thin layer. It don't take nothing but one layer for me, and it would last me a whole week. I let it completely dry. That keep it from being white under your lace. You know how you see people sometimes with the white lace? It's because they haven't let their glue dry completely, or they didn't let the Got To Be gel dry completely. Really don't need nothing but that one layer, because we're gonna go back in with the freeze spray. Okay, so now the glue is dry. It is not tacky at all. You see, I can just rub my hands across it. It's completely dry. As I go in with my Fit Me foundation color that match my skin complexion, and what I do, I just put that all over the inside of the lace. And while I'm doing this, I just want to say, before you lay your Got To Be across your forehead, make sure that you clean your skin with either sea breeze, alcohol, witch hazel, whichever type of, astringent that'll clean the oils off your skin. If you don't, it will slip off. Okay. So you want to go on ahead and get it comfortable around your head. Pull it back to how you like it. And I just want to say, I did overplug this frontal just a little bit. I went plucking crazy, but I can finesse it to where it looks really, really good. Put it in the right spots. Like I said, the glue is dry completely, so that would not hold it. It's dry. And I'm going in with the bed head hard hold. So shake this up real good. So I go in and just spray this side, wet it back up. All you're doing is wetting the gel back up. You blow dry it a little bit. Just a little bit so it can get tacky. And then I lay my lace. And see, when you let the Got To Be dry all the way completely, you would not get that white cast. Now I got one side down, I gotta complete the rest of it. Try not to minimize the forehead. So I'm not worried about those pieces that's up right now because I don't want my baby hairs to get hard yet. So what I do is I comb my baby hairs back into place. I spray my holding spray here. Y'all, I promise y'all, it is so simple to put these wigs on. Put in the ponytail. And tie my wrap strip around it. So I use these, I don't use scarves. I don't use scarves too much no more because it takes longer for it to hold. So I just go in with a little bit more before I wrap it around my ear tabs and my problem areas. Wrap strip. So take one of these, go behind my ears with, and it's tight. So I leave that on them and I completely dry it until you see those little pieces, you know, dry all the way. Press it down and dry it. So I just go ahead and take it off. I comb my baby hairs out because I'm getting ready to go in with the Lot of Body Mousse. Like I'm gonna do a side part. Yeah, I'm gonna do a side part today. And I just want y'all to see how this is gonna turn out. And yeah, I know I kind of overplucked right there, but y'all will not be able to tell when I get done with it. Now what I do is I kind of shape which way I want my baby hairs to go. So I know I want like a swoop here and a swoop back this way. So what I do, and you don't have to worry about lifting if you do this right. So this down. Yeah. That's good enough because I ain't gonna wear this number like I said, about 3 or 4 days. And I'm taking my children skating and out to eat today, so you know. Baby hairs are not gonna be perfect today because I can't see in my camera. I just wanted to show y'all how I lay my hair, and like I said, it's gonna last me like 4 or 5 days. Yes. So what I do, I just I go back in. Y'all please excuse my baby hairs because I am actually getting ready to go, and I wanted to do this video before I left the house. So now I just go in. I parted my hair the way I wanted it now. You know, just hot combing it down into place, getting ready to wet it. So before I go in with the water, I just want to show y'all how I hide the white cast that's up there. So I just get this my foundation and go in everywhere where it look like it's shiny and white. And you put a little bit in your in the parting space. So go in like that. So I can show y'all. Everybody always asks me how I lay my lace, and like I said, this was a quick lay. Even my baby hairs ain't even perfect like I like them. Like I said, I'm gonna get ready to take my children out today. Today is a Saturday, February the 15th, and we're finna have our day today. My hair is down. It's completely down. It's not going anywhere. That's how I lay my lace. Every time you see me with a lace, I never use the glues, the ghost buns, the bow holes. I never use those glues. That I got it wet as I want it, I take the holy grail of all curl creams. So what I do, I just get a little bit of Pillow Soft Curls. I get this from Walmart. I think it's probably about $17 at Walmart, and I use y'all see that hair? See that curl?